Hi, Foodie Chef Pete, and I am back today to help you out with your holiday cooking planning. I am going to make today, this is a boneless turkey breast in this dish, and it's not defrosted. You can do this way. I'm going to do it this way, which is in the slow cooker, which I have out today. Or you can roast this in the oven. The slow cooker on high is going to take about 4 hours, 3.5 to 4 hours. This is only 3 pounds. It's boneless. And what you want to do is simply get a couple of cups of water in your slow cooker. And also what you should remember, which I forgot almost to tell you all, is if you need to free up some oven space in your house because you're making pies or you're making stuffing or you're making potatoes or whatever else you're making and you need oven space, do it this way in a slow cooker. Do it this way in a slow cooker, and it frees up some space so you can use it. So basically all we do here is take this is a butterball one, and it's in a net, and I'm just going to move my dish back out of the way here. I put them in there with 2 cups of water, right? Okay, what I need to do is get some olive oil on it because I'm making this Italian, Mediterranean, Greek style. We get some olive oil on it, just like this. Okay, and then I'm going to get some salt on it. It's so easy to do this. We'll get some salt on it, and we're going to get some pepper on it. Pepper, salt, pepper. Okay, and we're going to get some garlic, some powdered garlic. Alrighty, garlic right on it, garlic right on it, and then some oregano. Okay, some oregano right on it there. And if you like, just to make it, to help it to brown a little bit on the top, you can give it just a little bit of paprika, right across the top of everything here. So just kind of shake a little bit, just like that, and that's going to make a nice crusty outside. And that's all there is to it. Okay, we're going to set it and forget it. I'm going to do it at high. You could do it at low. It could go 4 to 5.5 hours at a 3 pound. In this case, I'm going to go at high. It's going to be about 3 hours to 4, 3.5 to 4. Just check it when you press it and it bounces back at you and it's not mushy. You've done a nice job. Or use a beautiful thermometer. You can use a meat thermometer if you haven't cooked hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of these like I have. Okay, so that's it. That's our quote for today, our tip for today. Free up some oven space, do it in this. If not, do it in your oven and roast it brown and make it delicious. But you can still make your gravy from what's going to come from here. And that is some tips today from Carpizzo's Kitchen. And this is Chef Pete. I'm going to close the lid and cook this because I can't wait to eat it later. So this is Pete, out.